In this example, we're going to solve 6 plus 3. Starting at the far right, add the digits together in each individual column. This problem has only one column, so we will simply add the digits together. Add the digits in the column together. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So, check the number of digits in the result of this addition. 9 is a one-digit number. 9 is a one-digit number. I will repeat. 9 is a one-digit number. So, place the result in the sum section of the column. Replace the 9 in the sum section of the column. Move on to the next column. There are no more columns to be added. As you can see here, there are no more columns. Therefore, this problem is complete. 6 plus 3 equals 9.